please tag po natin ang ating beloved brand na Dear Face sa inyong mga social media accounts. So there you go. All you have to do is type in Dear Face on Facebook and TikTok, Dear Face PH Official on Instagram, and don't forget to use the hashtags. We have been mentioning already that earlier, no? Ang mga hashtags naman po, just a reminder, no? That's hashtag Dear Face XBlight, hashtag Dear Face, and hashtag Beauty Melon, and hashtag Let's Drink to Blight. At syempre, ang spelling po ng 2 natin is TWO. So, alright, eto na nga. Are you guys ready? Can I hear a woot woot? Ready? Okay, ayun na nga. I'm as excited as you are. Eto na. We may now call on our very, ayan na. We're so glad nga that everyone is here. So, okay. May we now call Ramos, the health and beauty queen.
Hello! Hi! Oh, wow! Alam niyo, ginawa namin tong event talaga na intimate, but thank you so much kasi napuno yung buong venue. And today, not only is a very special day for Dear Face, but it's also special day for me because we renewed one of our face ng brand, even though hindi pa nag-expire ang contract. Because, yeah, later, sabihin namin yan. So, yan, you will expect so much games, so much fun, and also madami tayong pag-uusapan later about Dear Face. So thank you so much for coming in today, and I appreciate your presence.
Yeah.
Hey.
Actually, quick story time lang about
Okay.
my dress today. Ito dapat yung susuotin ko sa first contract signing ko with Dear Face. Ito dapat yung isa sa mga dress na prepare ng stylist ko. Tapos sabi ko, tingin ko next time na lang yan. Tapos wala lang, ang galing na today, susuotin ko ulit yung next time ko for another Dear Face event pa rin. So,
Ay, grabe.
I think it's meant to be, Char.
Oh, meant to be. May kumbaga
There is a
nag-align.
char. Yes, yes.
We love it so much. So ayun na, last request, what's your message to our, media partners and guests?
Yes. Sa mga nandito po nung May, thank you so much. Meron po ba dito nandito nung May, tapos nandito ngayon? Maraming salamat po. Ayun. Let's just have fun today. And kung may mga tanong po kayo, pwede nyo itanong sa amin later. Let's just enjoy. Thank you so much.
Oh, let's just Dear Face.
Actually, alam niyo, si Andrea, yung isa sa pinakamagaan din namin nakatrabaho sa Lebron.
Aww.
Like, wala siyang
The feeling is mutual.
Tapos, hindi mo siya kailangan bigyan ng direction eh. Meron siyang initiative. Ang kagandahan kasi with Blight is, gabi-gabi niyang iniinom talaga yung beauty meal. So, it's very natural for her na mag-content. Kahit hindi namin hinihingi, nagpo-post yan sa mga platforms. Nagpo-post siya ng parang mga hindi naman kasama sa deliverables, pinapost niya. Yung pagmamahal niya dun sa, hi Blight, can we do another contract signing for our renewal, ganyan. Alam mo, mabilis silang maglatag din ng mga calendar nila. So, very accommodating din as well si Tita Belle, which is yung mom niya. And also si Kyla, which is yung sister niya.
Oh, nakakatuwa naman.
The whole team actually, very super.
Oo,
sarap
nakakatuwa naman yan. So actually, Andrea is really the epitome, of really glowing within.
Yes.
Oo.
And kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa kanya, ganun talaga siya. Yun siya.
On no pretensions.
Yes.
As in, talaga, what you see is what you get.
Medyo yung
Tama
height
yan.
lang po sumasablay.
Alam
So,
mo-
madaming akala nila matangkad ako, tapos may kita nila, ay, maliit pala siya.
Girl, wala sa height yan.
True.
Oh, nasa yan, pag-glow mo within and
Yes.
outer
Oh,
part
yes.
of your body.
Kasi ito yung height ko. Pero dahil sa melon milk, yung glow ko, umaabot siya.
Oh, di ba?
So, kumbaga yun na yung additional height ko.
Correct.
Thank you po.
Umabot din into greater heights indeed. I love it. So ito, may follow-up question ako
Okay.
for you, no? So can you tell us the fans using Dear Face Beauty Milk Melon?
Okay. So, totoo po yung bago pa kami nag-meet ni Miss Jonah, gumagamit na po talaga ako ng beauty milk. Ang gamit ko po talaga lagi is yung melon milk. Isa yun for me kasi yun yung pinakamasarap for me, bias ako. Hindi lang dahil na-endorse ko siya, pero for me, yun talaga yung pinakamasarap. And ano po kasi, lagi po akong pagod. Siyempre, tao pa rin naman po ako. Physically, napapagod po talaga ako. Lalo na yung work ko, halos araw-araw po talaga. And minsan, from taping, event, taping ulit, tapos event ulit. Kailangan ko ng konting push. Hindi lang enough ang 8 hours of sleep. Minsan na po nakaka 5 hours lang ako. Hindi din minsan enough yung makeup na lang. So, nagtitake po talaga ako ng collagen bago ako mag-sleep para pagkagising ko, meron akong extra glow or kaya early in the morning po, yun agad yung tinitake ko. Kapag minsan nakakatulog na lang ako agad, nakakalimutan ako mag-beauty milk. Pagkagising ko po, iinom po ako ng melon milk.
Alam mo, Andrea, actually, itong beauty milk ni Miss Jonah, no, you don't really need to put exude yung glow mo eh. Minsan, di ba, parang dinadaya mo with makeup and all. But pag gumagamit ka ng collagen drink, as in you drink it religiously every day.
Yes po. Lalo na po,
Oo.
na-addict po ako sa mga K-dramas.
Naku, ayan na nga.
So talagang, nag-iinom po talaga ako ng madaming collagen kasi grabe yung skin nila, super glowing sila, 'di ba? Medyo talo na tayo sa weather natin, so kailangan natin dayain na para talagang sa weather tayo na maayos. Kaya nagko-collagen po ako lagi.
Oh, ayan na, ladies and gentlemen, ha, nakita niyo yung advice ni Miss Andrea. Collagen is the way to go. I love it. And of course, by Dear Face. So ito naman for Miss Jonah, my question would be, can you tell us your future plans with Miss Andrea as she continues to be the endorser of your beauty face milk melody?
Actually, ang daming plano. Ang daming plano with Andrea. And also, kasi si Andrea, very flexible siyang katrabaho. So, whenever we pitch something sa kanila, game sila. And as long as walang matatamaan na other brand na ini-endorse niya, game talaga siya. So, I cannot disclose it yet, but 2024 talaga, it's actually parang relating the customers and also the consumers to what our endorsers are really using. So, it's more on ano ba yung kailangan nating abangan this year. So, abangan na lang muna natin yan. Pero madaming plans for Andrea and Light until end of this year.
That's very exciting. There's something to look forward to talaga in the future, especially this year, 2024. Now, just a follow-up question po, no? This time for the both of you naman po. Can you describe or tell us about your commitment in this renewed partnership?
Well, ngayon po, mas matagal ang aking commitment sa kanila.
Yes,
Yun po ang aking masasabi.
Okay.
Mas matagal na panahon.
Mas ayan, let's all give them a warm round of applause. Ayan na nga, oh. Yes! Gusto ko yung signature. How do you do it? Like, yes, girl, do it! So, ayan na nga po, no? Next would be on a lighter topic. Ito, do you have any new hobbies or interests no, outside show business? Or, you know,
Manood po ng K-drama.
ayan na nga, K-drama.
Manood po ng K-drama and of course, yung business ko din po, tinututukan ko po siya lagi. Pag wala akong taping, actually kahit nasa taping po ako, nakatutok pa rin po ako. And ano pa ba? Yun po, medyo boring po life ko. Business, K-drama, and kung may time po, pahinga ko din po kasi yung friends ko. Yung
Yes.
friend group ko po, sila din po yung pahinga ko kung may time mag-travel kami, or kaya magkita lang kami, mag-dinner lang kami. Yun lang po. Ano po ba hobby ko? Minsan po drawing din.
Oh, wow, nagdo-draw.
Nagdo-drawing din po ako. At saka, makinig sa music. Yan po.
For music, what's your type of genre? Ano yung talagang, yes.
Depende po sa gising ko.
Depende sa mood.
Yes
Okay,
po.
okay.
O sa pinagdadaanan ko po.
Naku, may hugot
Or
naman
sa
siya ngayon.
pinagdedelulo ko. Depende
O
po.
Delulu, that's a Gen Z term. I love it.
Yes.
Really the queen of Gen Z po. Si Miss Andrea Brillantes.
So, ayan, no? Okay, thank you for sharing with us, no? Ito naman, for Miss Jonah, do you have upcoming projects po in the Dear Face that we should watch out for?
Yes. Actually, for next month, that's also the reason why we want to renew Nancy Blythe. Kasi the packaging that you are seeing right now, which is the 10 sachet, it will come in to a bigger... Patayon sa marketing. It will come into a bigger packaging and... oh my God.
Ang dami nagsa-celebrate. I love
Nakita
it.
ko na.
Yes. So, since kasi very most requested kasi sa amin is to upgrade the packaging into something that they can use in a month. So, for that one, we actually customize the new packaging. So, it will be another variant, pero it's good for 1 month na. So, this one kasi is for 10 glasses. So,
Oh, that's perfect.
Yes.
So I'm sure a lot of our, clients here are very eager to get.
You just recently learned about beauty or self-care that for you is life-changing?
I feel like for the longest time, hindi ko po binibigyan ng importance ang nutrients na kailangan ng body ko. Madalas kasi yung meron lang ako laging nilalagay sa face and body ko is yung pang outer lang, yung parang yung layer lang of my skin. Hindi ko tinitake importance yung nutrients na need ko, lalo na lagi po akong puyat, lagi po akong pagod. So, ayun po, tulad ng collagen, it's protein po. So, need talaga natin yan. And minsan, malaking tulong po kasi yung ini-intake natin para sa katawan natin, iniinom natin. It's very important. Hindi lang yung mga creams na nilalagay natin. So, ngayon po, very handy kasi sa akin, very convenient sa akin ang Beauty Milk kasi hindi ako masyadong maalalahanin. Tama ba? Maalalahanin sa mga take ng mga medicine yan, capsules, ganyan. So, very convenient sa akin ang Beauty Milk kasi tinitake ko siya bago ako matulog. And bago ko na-discover ang Beauty Milk, I always drink milk before I sleep. So, very convenient sa akin na yung melon milk, gatas na siya, masarap na siya, and sweet tooth ako, mahilig ako sa matamis. So, yan yung parang dessert ko bago ako matulog. Kapag very tiring yung gabi ko, yan na ang aking dessert. So, for me yan po, ang bago kong parang natutunan lately is kailangan din alagaan natin at mag-take tayo ng nutrients para sa katawan natin po. Thank you.
And last, since na-mention mo
Mabuhay! Congratulations! Sige. I'll ask my question first to Miss Jonah. So, di ba earlier you mentioned na technically hindi pa talaga expired yung contract ni Blythe. So, what drove you to renew the contract earlier? And, sabi mo mas mahaba, so parang, ilan ba to? Parang 5 years ba to?
Yes. So, actually hindi pa. We just launched her last May. And doon mo makikita yung what we call this. Kasi as a brand owner, you will see if your influencers, celebrity, KOLs are very effective. And nung pagka-launch namin kay Blythe, we saw that nagkaroon ng huge impact with our brand. That's on the technical side. So, on the technical side, we realized na we needed Blythe for the long time kasi she really represents Dear Face. Though she doesn't own the company, but she actually feels like parang siya yung may-ari. Ganun siya mag-endorse. And you will really feel kasi the authenticity of Andrea. Hindi lang siya nag-endorse dahil may bayad or something. I-endorse niya isang bagay kasi mahal na yung bagay na yun. And she really values talaga the partnership that we have. And to answer the question, bakit kailangan natin i-renew si Andrea? Kaka-launch pa lang natin sa kanya. Because we want to secure her. Gusto na namin siya i-lock. Like, sa amin ka na for this year. Sa amin ka na. Kasi, ano talaga, we really love Andrea. And we really support her to every projects that she actually doing and will do in the future. And I think with our partnership, it would be fruitful for both of us. So, talagang parang no-brainer siya. Ito kailangan i-renew natin siya. So, that's why I tapped Tita Belle, which is her mom. Minessage ko siya kagad, Tita Belle, we want to renew Andrea. Kahit sabi niya, kaka-launch na natin, yes, we want to renew her. So, yeah. So, you will see the value of a celebrity, kung ano yung dinideliver niya talaga sa table. And that's actually on the technical side on why brands actually secure long-term partnership with celebrities. That's the reason why. And for the personal side naman, since I really love Andrea. So kahit hindi pa siya nag-endorse sa amin, love ko siya. Tapos love ko rin si Bea, love ko rin si Danica. Yung circle of friends kasi nila, kung hindi nyo natatanong, si Bea kasi, hindi niya in-endorse yung Dear Face, pero iniinom niya. And then one day, she just posted it in TikTok. And then, hindi pa siya ganun kasikat that time. Talaga nagpo-post lang siya. And, you know, this circle talaga, si Danica din. Si Danica, kung hindi nyo nalalaman, isa siya sa mga model namin before for Skin Potions. Yung Skin Potions kasi was our first brand and model namin siya before. So there's actually a history before namin sila nakuha na endorsers and partners. So yeah, that's actually, parang sa akin kasi kung hindi mo mahal yung tao or yung endorser, hindi mo siya i-renew. Kahit na ano pa yung value na binibigay niya sa'yo, if you don't work together fruitfully, hindi magiging okay yung partnership. So, I really value Andrea for, you know, letting us to be part of her family. So, yeah, thank you, Andrea.
Thank you so much po, Miss Jonah. Kanina po po kinikilig. Thank you po.
So ilang years yung pag-lock mo kay Andrea?
Okay, so we have 1 year, so we just launched her, right? And then we locked another 2 years, so it's a total of 3 years for Andrea.
Yay! Let's all clap for that!
Secure na
It's a
secure
celebration,
na.
na secure. And kasi yung first, actually, to be honest, yung deliverables kasi for first year, nagawa na niya. Kahit hindi namin tinaas. Yung parang, the deliverables that comes in the first year of partnership, ginagawa niya, pinopost niya lahat. So kami parang, paano ito, pagka may campaigns tayo, hindi na natin siya post. So, yeah, sobrang sipag. Hindi mo siya kailangan sabihin na, mag-post ka. Nagpapa-photoshoot yan nga. Ito pa. Hindi alam ng media to, pero nagpapa-own photoshoot siya and video shoot for the brands that she handles. So, yun yung effort na nabibigay niya. Hindi lang dahil face siya ng brand, because she really loves the brands that she is endorsing.
Thank
Nice!
you.
We love it so much.
In fairness sa'yo, Andrea.
So,
secure na yung 3 years mo. Ayan. Ang question sa'yo, dear, is, like, as a businesswoman yourself, what have you learned?
Unang meet pa lang po namin, meron na po siya mga pinayo na sa akin, hindi lang bilang artista, kundi bilang isang tao din. At saka, eto na may sarili po akong business. Madami na din po siya na kwento sa mga natutunan niya, sa mga mistakes sa pwede niyang gawing parang mas matutunan para mas maging better ka. So, ayun po, marami po ako natutunan kay Miss Jonah, and I'm just really grateful for her po.
And last na lang, Jonah made mention of your barkada, yung ABCD girls. Marami nang nakakamiss that you doing content with them. What's next for your barkada?
Ano po kasi, ang hirap lang ngayon. Parehas po kaming tatlong mga busy. Kasi sa ginagawa ko pong show, tapos may photoshoots. Tapos si Bea, meron din po siyang mga pinaghahandaan. Si Danica din po may pinaghahandaan. Pero tinatry pa rin namin yung best namin na magkita-kita. Ngayon, ang pinagkakaabalahan po namin is mag-book ng flights. Yun po, kasi syempre grabe din po kami mag-work. Apakasipag din po talaga ng mga friends ko na yun. Magkakaiba po kami ng mga talagang paths sa life, pero iisa yung in common kami, parehas po kami masisipag. So, parang deserve po namin magkaroon ng out of the country girls trip. Yun pa lang yung plano namin po. Sana hindi ma-jinx. Ayun.
Hindi yan.
Sana.
Congrats, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Era, let us celebrate the beauty and brilliance of Miss Andrew. Let's toast to a beautiful and glowing partnership and the continued success of Dear Face. Once again, let's drink to Blight.